You can round to the nearest penny by using the MROUND, ceiling or floor function. MROUND function rounds a number to the nearest multiple that you pass to it. To round the amount in column A to the nearest penny, use MROUND with a multiple of 0.01. 5.323 is rounded to 5.32 and 5.567 is rounded to 5.57. The ceiling function will round a number up to the nearest multiple of significance that you pass to it. So passing a 0.01 as the significance tells the ceiling function to round up to the nearest penny. 5.323 is rounded to 5.33 and 5.567 is rounded to 5.57. The floor function works the same way except it forces rounding down to the nearest significance. So passing a 0.01 as the significance tells the floor function to round down to the nearest penny. 5.323 is rounded to 5.32 and 5.567 is rounded to 5.56. If you wanted to round to the nearest nickel, use 0.05 as the multiple. Example, MROUND rounds 5.32 to 5.3, ceiling to 5.35 and floor to 5.3. If you wanted to round to the nearest dollar, use 1 as the multiple. Example, MROUND rounds 5.32 to 5, ceiling rounds to 6 and floor rounds to 5. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.